Hello, dear investors and traders. With you, analytical service System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with general data about the company. Let's look at each parameter in more detail a little further. If necessary, you can put it on stop. We suggest that you study each parameter of the company more closely. We will compare the main fundamental indicators of the company simulations plus Inc., ticker SLP. This review is based on information as of July 15, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets, organization simulations plus Inc. belongs to the subcategory. It 38 companies are involved in the analysis. We will see the decisions made towards the end of this video. Overall score for the company, 8.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 3.8 points. If you look at it broadly, within the framework of the entire stock market as a whole, it can be seen that the average score for the stock market as a whole is 1.8. Against the score of 8.5 point simulations plus incorporated. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price simulations plus Inc. and subcategory shares. Against the price dynamics for the subcategory of 50.6%. Market capitalization of the company simulations plus incorporated valued at $0.35 billion. With a market capitalization of $99 billion, the subcategory is. The company's book value is $0.19 billion. The subcategory's book capitalization is $21 billion. Comparing the shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share simulations plus Inc. in the subcategory when assessing the stock market value is 0.355%. The book value is 0.913%. Assessment of the organization's share of the market and book value of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company under study has no debts. The result for the level of the company's debt obligations, very good, 2 points. The company's market value to profit ratio is 48.8. With an average in the subcategory of 0. Evaluation of the market price to profit ratio in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profits for the last 12 months were $7 million. Future profits over the next 12 months are expected to be $20 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's value to revenue ratio is 4.5. Average in the subcategory is 4.1. Evaluation of the exchange value to revenue ratio in comparison with the subcategory indicators, total, 0 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $80 million. Revenue for the next 12 months is projected to be $130 million. Assessment of the expected future revenue indicator in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The marginality is 9.2%, with the average for the subcategory being -2%. Sales margin assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 0.429%. Which is 21% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the organization is equal to $1,422,000. while for the subcategory it is $1,720,000. An assessment of the company's market capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per employee is $29.1 thousand, with an average in the subcategory of minus $8.4 thousand. Evaluation of the company's profit per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $318,000. Subcategory, $423,000. Evaluation of revenue per individual employee compared to indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The volume of sales transactions corresponds to 9.6%, with an average for the subcategory of 4.6%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 33% for the company Simulations Plus Incorporated, whereas for the subcategory this level is approximately 51%. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $28.51. Let's go to the order table. It is available for you. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly accepted decisions this season by the information and reference system Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the company's analysis Simulations Plus Inc. Information and reference system for stock evaluation Guru.Markets, a decision has been made. Order to open for growth at $17.47. The deal was opened due to the fact that the company has a fairly high valuation and price change. The company's assessment is based on the assessment criteria, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 24.03. Stop loss is set at 10.91. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is fixed independently based on the results of the session on August 14, 2025, or on the last trading day before that date. Ticker, EVH, will become a balancing transaction for sale. The video on the balancing order will be or has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of any of the orders, basic or balancing, the second order is fixed at the final price. Thank you very much to the audience for watching this video and for using the information system from Guru.Markets.